Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In this class we are going to discuss about one of the most important topic in biology, eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. In this eukaryotic cell, what is mean these eukaryotic cells? The cells have organized nucleus. The cells have organized nucleus is known as eukaryotic cells. Presence of organized nucleus. What is meant by this organized nucleus? Generally, the nuclear material is enclosed with one membrane that is known as nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Presence of this nuclear membrane, this organization is known as nucleus. So when we are observing that nucleus inside the cells, that is known as eukaryotic cells. So the eukaryotic cell means the cells have organized nucleus. This is known as nucleus. Next, in addition to this nucleus, the cytoplasm are also present in the eukaryotic cells, but in this cytoplasm having compartmentalization. So in the compartmentalization, some of the organelles are arranged in that distinct organization. So this is known as compartmentalization. So some of the membrane bound organelles are which is present inside the cytoplasm. These membrane bound organelles are arranged in a systematic order inside the cell. So that is known as compartmentalization. Generally, the eukaryotic cells have endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex and vacuole, and the plant cells having chloroplast and mitochondria and this is Golgi. So some of the microbodies and ribosomes etc. are present inside the eukaryotic cell cytoplasm. In addition to this, some of the locomotory and cytoskeletal elements. Locomotory and cytoskeletal elements are also present inside the eukaryotic cells. These locomotory and cytoskeletal structures are useful for motility of these cell contents from one place to another place. Next, in addition to this, all these features, another important characteristic feature which is observed in the eukaryotic cells, the DNA present in that eukaryotic cell nucleus. Generally, the DNA, the genetic material which is present in that nucleus is organized into chromosomes. So the genetic material is organized into chromosome is the major characteristic feature observed in that eukaryotic cell. But when we are observing that prokaryotic cells, the entire DNA, the entire genetic material which is present in that cell, which is organized into a single chromosome. But in case of the eukaryotic cells, the genetic material is organized into chromosomes. This number of chromosomes are also varies from cell to cell and organism to organism. For example, when we are observing that plant cell, in plant cell are also some plants having more number of chromosomes and some plants having less number of chromosomes. Like animal cells are also some organisms having less number of chromosomes and some organisms having more number of chromosomes are observed in these eukaryotic cells. So organization of these chromosomes is more important feature observed in these eukaryotic cells. Next, in this, what are the examples of these eukaryotic cells? Generally, protists, protistas, and plants, animals, and fungi. Generally, these all are having eukaryotic cell. So these organisms are the best examples of these eukaryotic cells. All these organisms having these eukaryotic cells and these cells having this type of characteristic features. But these all eukaryotic cells are not similar in structure. That means all eukaryotic cells does not have same type of cell organelles. Sometimes the cell organelles are more and sometimes the cell organelles are less in that organisms. For example, when we are observing that plant cell, this plant cell having cell wall and chloroplast and vacuole. So this cell wall is present, chloroplast is present and vacuoles are present in the plant cells. But when we are observing that animal cells, the cell wall is absent, chloroplast are also absent and vacuole are also absent. But in case of animal cells, the centrioles are present in that animal cells, but in plant cells the centrioles are absent. So like this, some of the structures are present in the plant cell and some of the structures are present in the animal cells. Some of the minor differences are observing of this organization of these eukaryotic cells in organism to organism. But the majority of the features all are same. So what are the features same in that all? Organized nucleus and membrane bound organelles and locomotor and cytoskeletal elements are also present and the DNA is organized into chromosomes. So these characteristic features are common in that all organisms, but some minor differences are observed in this some of the eukaryotic organisms. So this is the overview of eukaryotic cells. If you have any doubts on this topic, please comment it on the comment box. If you want more videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.